Hey makers, now that you've all received your subscription boxes, we're going to show you how to make your colourburst themed jewellery kits. We're going to start with the chandelier earrings. These beads have been specially chosen to represent fireworks as they shine beautifully due to their facets. Take off the jump ring attached to your chain using snipe nose and flat nose pliers. Measure 5 cm of chain and cut with side cutters. Repeat this step another 2 times, moving one to the side for your necklace later. Cut a 19 cm piece of chain for your bracelet and put aside also for later. Thread your larger bead onto your longer head pin. Leaving 1 cm above the bead, trim any excess wire away if necessary. Using your round nose pliers, form a loop in the head pin above the bead. Carefully open a jump ring with snipe nose and flat nose pliers. Attach your bead by the loop and a piece of 5 cm chain before closing the jump ring. For a secure fit, twist the jump ring past the closed position and then back again, letting the natural spring of the metal align the ends. Lay out your smaller beads in your desired design. Thread one of the smaller beads onto one of the shorter head pins. Using round nose pliers, form a loop in your head pin above the bead. Repeat this step until you're happy with the amount of beads for your chandelier. Add your bead to your piece of chain with a jump ring. Remember to alternate between the 2 sides of the chain so that it looks full. Keep adding your beads to the chain, working your way up. When you're happy, open your ear wire with a pair of snipe nose pliers. Attach your chandelier by the top of the chain and gently close the ear wire loop again. Repeat the whole process for the other earring. Following the exact same process, we're now going to create the colourburst necklace. Check that your leftover piece of chain is at the length you would like, otherwise trim to fit your preference using side cutters. Repeat the same steps as the earrings for your necklace chandelier. Using flat nose and snipe nose pliers, open your jump ring. Attach your chandelier by the top of the chain and the necklace chain before carefully twisting the jump ring closed. At one end of your necklace, add a split ring and attach a clasp. Split rings work like mini key rings. Attach another split ring at the opposite end of the necklace. Well done makers, you've now completed your chandelier earrings and necklace set. Using the 19 cm piece of chain, we're now going to create the bracelet. At one end of the bracelet, attach a split ring and clasp. At the opposite end of the chain, attach a split ring. Using the same process for the chandelier, thread your bead onto a head pin before forming a loop in the top of the wire with round nose pliers. Repeat these steps until you're happy with the amount of beads to go onto your bracelet. Attach the beads onto the chain using a jump ring. Make sure to hook your jump ring through the chain's link to secure the bead's position. The amount of beads used and the colour pattern is all personal preference, so don't feel obliged to copy ours exactly. You've now completed all 3 colourburst kits. We hope you've enjoyed this month's box as much as we enjoyed creating it. Until next month makers!